What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Say hi Daisy. So today I wanted to share with you guys a new little tool that we purchased in order to keep an eye on Mrs. Daisy while we are not home. As many of you all know, I am a nursing school student and I also work at school and I work in the ER. So balancing all of these things, it's really difficult to also balance being home for a puppy. So my fiance and I, we do take turns and try to be home as much as possible, but we felt like we needed something more because just to at least calm our nerves while we're gone, we needed to make sure that our little bundle of joy was okay, right? So we purchased the TP-Link Kasa Smart Pan Tilt Camera. So I wanted to basically unbox this with you guys. Oh my god, Daisy's trying to go. Daisy wants to go play, so she's gonna go play while mommy does this unboxing video. So we purchased, as mentioned, the Kasa Spot Pan Tilt Camera. So what caught my attention about this camera is it moves 360. Now she wants to come back up again. It moves all around, so it has a 360 horizontal view and it has a 180-degree vertical view, and it also has motion detectors, so it does link up with your phone, which I found really helpful. It moves, like I mentioned. It has motion tracking, so it will let you know when it detects motion going on. iCloud storage, night vision. Another thing that I really liked was that it had two-way audio. So I can listen to Daisy and I can also speak to her while I am not here. Maybe she's whimpering or crying and she just needs like reassurance. I do like to leave music on for Mrs. Daisy while I am not here, just because I figured the background noise will soothe her rather than dead silence and perhaps getting startled by hearing like our neighbors going up the stairs or, you know, etc. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So let's go ahead and add our device. Well, first we'll download the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and screen record so you guys can see, and it'll pop up right there on the side. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go to the App Store. Download Kasa. She's behaving so good. Kasa Smart, so here it is. While your Kasa app downloads, plug in your Kasa Smart Pan Tilt. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, so this is how it looks like. It's kind of like the size of my hand, which is not that big. It's, remember, we don't really need it to be indiscreet because this is for Mario and I to both be able to clock in and check on Daisy whenever we want. So it comes with the camera, the cord, the outlet plug for the wall, and I guess this is to stabilize it. It has like little screwdrivers and stuff. Mario can do that. There's Daisy running around. Alright guys, so this is the camera. I did set it up right here by the entrance of our home, and I believe it's like, I guess, panning around and testing itself out. So it's really easy so far to set up electronically. You just want to connect it right back here. And it's set up. So let's go back on our app on our phone and figure out what the next steps are. Alright you guys, so we already set up our Kasa Smart, so we're gonna go ahead and open up our app. So we're gonna create an account. So I connected my Kasa Cam app to my Wi-Fi, and now as you can see here that it's loading. So it says connecting Kasa Spot to your home network. While it's loading, let's go and see what Mrs. Daisy is doing. What are you doing, little lady? Daisy, what are you doing? So I finished connecting to my Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna go ahead and device name. So I'm just gonna call it Daisy Cam. What's up guys? So I was sitting here editing my Kasa Cam video for you all, and Daisy and I realized that we did not really give a review of our product. So I have been using Kasa Cam for about 2 weeks now, and I have to say that I absolutely love it. It has served as such a lifesaver, especially having to unfortunately sometimes be like about 6 to 8 hours out of the house, and we don't really get to know how Daisy is if it were not for the Kasa Cam camera. I'm gonna put in some clips of how we have spied on our little Daisy. We did upgrade from, instead of keeping her in the crate all day, so we have her in this little hallway with like a baby gate, and we're just able to monitor her whole area where she is throughout the day. Let me put her down. And it's just really helpful. I did not really like the whole two-way convo feature, just because when we tried using it on Daisy, it really upset her because she heard our voices and she couldn't see us, and she started crying, and it was really bad. So overall, I think I'd give this product about 4.5 stars. I think that it's really good. And the only reason why I'm not giving it 5 stars is because sometimes like the controls on your phone through the app, they kind of lag a little, but other than that, it has, the night vision works great. I'm able to see Daisy as clear as day when the lights are off. I would definitely recommend this product, especially for new dog parents who don't want to leave their babies alone. And thank you guys. All right, so now back to my regular scheduled video. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys were able to follow along and set up your Kasa Cam camera to watch your fur baby, or you know, actual real baby, or just set up a camera in your house. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there are any other products out there that you want me to test out to see maybe how I like it, or maybe if I used it before, go ahead and leave any comments, questions, or concerns in the description. In the comment box below. I did purchase the Kasa Cam camera at Best Buy, but it is on Amazon. I will link the Amazon link, and I will also link the Best Buy link if you want to purchase it at Best Buy. And that's all for now, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I post videos once a week, and Daisy and I will see you on the next one, right? Bye!